Occupants of Majnu Ka Tila have left with their belongings after DDA's anti-encroachment drive. The Delhi Development Authority is conducting a demolition drive in the Majnu Ka Tila locality against encroachment on the Yamuna floodplains near the south of the Gurudwara over there. The residents of the area meanwhile have received a notice regarding the demolition and have expressed concern over the last-minute eviction. My colleague Shubh Rana with us on the broadcast with more details. Shubh, over to you. Take our viewers through these developments taking place at Majnu Ka Tila in the national capital.
Yes, definitely a big demolition drive is being conducted today in the Majnu Ka Tila. And, Priya, this is the same place where Newsx went for doing on-ground reports on Pakistan Hindu refugees who have come from Pakistan and Bangladesh to take shelter to their homes in India. And, they have been residing in the heart of Delhi at Majnu Ka Tila. But today, if I talk about the demolition drive, the DDA, which is the Delhi Development Authority, will be conducting a demolition drive in the Majnu Ka Tila locality, encroachment on the Yamuna floodplain near the south of Gurudwara. The residents of the area have received a notice regarding the demolition on Thursday, and they have expressed concern over the last-minute eviction. Although most of them have evacuated the area because today the demolition drive is likely to happen, but the local police has been requested to provide security to maintain law and order during the drive. But the encroachment drive is being carried out to remove the temporary shelters near the Majnu Ka Tila Gurudwara in the North Delhi. According to that notice which have been provided by the DDA, and the locality has been the residence of Pakistani Hindus who are seeking refugees in India for over a decade, Pia. And however, the Delhi police confirmed that this week a requisition from DDA has been received for carrying demolition action against this Jhuggi cluster. Yes, back to you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.